Honey, the show is starting, all right? I can't talk now. I gotta go. Of course I love you. You think I'd buy you diamond earrings if I didn't?
Where is my money?
Okay. Oh, listen. I just maybe kind of, spent it all, you know? Ah! No, please, wait! I'll give you the money. I'll get you $100,000.
Where are you going to get that kind of money?
Moon! Okay? Moon's got my money.
Who is this Moon?
All creatures great and small, welcome to the Moon Theater. I am your host, Buster. And okay, behold, the very first stage lit entirely by Squid Power. Yeah! Beautiful work, guys. Now just follow me on the beat. And as you can see, this is no ordinary theater. This is a palace of wonder and magic. He's done it! He's really done it, Nana! Now, welcome our first contestant. Whoa!
Which one of you is Moon?
Hey, you can't just barge in here.
You know this guy?
Mike?
Right. Mike here says you got his money, and it's in that box.
No. Just hold on a moment here. That's prize money. And it's not Mike's unless he wins it fair and...
Give him the money!
Okay, hey, take it. The whole chest. It's yours, okay? All right here.
Open it.
Open it? I know. Me?
Open it!
Okay, no, I just don't have the keys. So maybe you could come back later?
Get out of the way.
No, wait!
Hey, there you go. Big guy with a bat. Who needs keys, right? All right, well, let's get this thing squared up now. What the? That's it? That's all there is? He lied. Moon lied to us all.
Wait a second, I can explain.
He's your problem.
Okay?
That's not
This
me.
is just a prop.
So where's the $100,000?
You're kidding.
I don't believe it. Oh, sorry.
Wait, everyone.
This was just...
Buster, look out!
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
I'm so sorry. I just... No, don't go!
Has anyone seen my glass eye?
Oh, it's right here, Miss Crawley. I've got it.
Once there was a way to get back homeward. Once there was a way to get back home.
Oh, Dad. I'm so sorry.